Blippi, wake up. It's time to go to school.
I don't want to go to school.
Really? We're not doing this. Get up.
No. I hate school.
Would you like to be grounded?
No.
Then get your ass out of bed and go to school.
Okay, fine.
Good morning, class. Post ready to learn.
I'm ready to learn, Mrs. Delgado.
Oh hell no, frick that crap.
Blippi, stop it. Anyways, I'm going to take attendance. Ivory.
Here.
Anthony.
Here.
Blippi. Blippi.
Blippi Asperger.
Can't you see I'm right here?
When I call your name, you say here.
But you can see me right in front of you.
You know what? I don't have time for this. Mario.
Here.
Chaosheng.
Here.
Kevin.
Here.
Sahara.
Here.
Cynthia.
Here.
And finally, Valerie.
Here.
Okay, good, everyone's here. Please take out your homework. Good job, Ivory. Good job, Anthony. You get an A+ like always. Blippi, where's your homework?
My dog ate it.
Oh, that's bullshit. You didn't do your homework. You get a 0 for the millionth time. Today's assignment is taking out your math textbooks and turning to page 69. Blippi, where's your textbook?
My other dog ate it.
I don't have time for your bullshit. Either take out your textbook or you're going to the principal's office.
I don't have my goddamn textbook.
How dare you talk to me like that? If you don't have your textbook, then I'll go get you an extra one. They're now turn to page 69 and do math problems.
Hell no. I hate math.
Blippi, I am losing my patience. I'm only going to ask you one more time to do your work.
No, I'm not doing math problems. Screw you.
Oh, how dare you call me the B-word? That is such a disrespectful word against women. Go to the principal's office right now.
God, I freaking hate Mrs. Delgado. She is such an annoying bitch. Hey wait, why don't I interrupt her class by pulling the fire alarm? That'll be so funny. Ha 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 ha.
Attention students and staff. That was a false alarm. You can all come inside now.
Blippi, what are you doing here? I told you to go to the principal's office.
Blippi Asperger, report to my office immediately. I saw you on the surveillance cameras pulling the fire alarm. Care to explain yourself?
I just thought it would be a funny little joke.
A funny joke? Are you that much of a moron? You sent the whole school into a panic. I'm calling your mom. Hello, Blippi's mom. This is Principal Rooney from Gawa Animate High School. Your son, Blippi, pulled the fire alarm, as a joke. You need to come over.
Principal Rooney, I'm so sorry.
You've said that every time you did something bad.
But this time I'm really sorry.
You're only sorry that you got caught.
So, Mr. Rooney, what's going to happen to Blippi?
He's going to be suspended for a month, and when he gets back, he's getting another month of after-school detention. He will also not be attending junior prom or senior prom next year, nor will he attend the senior trip to Universal, the senior cookout, and he won't get to walk across the stage to graduate. Also, you will have to pay a $1,000 fine to the fire department because Blippi wasted their time.
What? Are you kidding me? Oh, Blippi, you are in so much trouble. Let's go home now.
Round it for 64280965341745612. Years. Go to your room now.
Wow 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 wow.